Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy PC Guide. First, I'll open the official Sergei Strelec WinPE website. Here we can find different WinPE versions. I'll select the latest English version available. Now I'll click the pixel drain link to download the WinPE RAR archive. The file is quite large, so the download may take some time depending on your internet connection. The download is complete. Now I'll open the WinPE archive and extract the required files. Before opening the archive, there's one more important thing to note. The RAR archive is password protected, and the password is provided directly on the download page. I'll copy the password shown on the website and paste it into the password field when opening the RAR archive. This way, we don't need to type the password manually. After extracting the archive, we can access the files included with WinPE. Now it's time to connect the USB flash drive to the computer. Make sure there are no important files on the USB drive, because we're going to format it before copying the WinPE files. I'll right-click the USB drive and select Format. For the file system, we'll use FAT32. I'll keep the default settings and start the formatting process. Remember, formatting will erase all existing files on the USB drive. The USB drive has been formatted successfully. Now I'll open the extracted WinPE folder. I'll select the required WinPE files and copy them directly to the USB drive. No additional software is required for this method. We are simply copying the required WinPE files to the prepared USB drive. The files have been copied successfully. Our USB drive is now ready to test. Now we'll connect the USB flash drive to the computer where the password has been forgotten and restart the PC. After restarting, we'll open the boot menu and boot from the USB drive. As you can see, we have three WinPE options: WinPE 11, WinPE 10, and WinPE 8. I'm used to working with WinPE 10, so I'll select WinPE 10 and press Enter. WinPE 10 has started successfully. WinPE is useful for troubleshooting and repairing Windows when the operating system cannot start normally. You can use it to repair boot problems, access files, run diagnostic tools, and perform offline Windows repairs. Now, let's get back to the Windows desktop. We'll restart the computer and remove the USB drive. And now we're back on the Windows desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Easy PC Guide for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.